Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to reset camera settings in OnePlus 10 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. OnePlus 10 Pro allows you to reset the camera application settings back to their default values. To begin, open the camera application. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Swipe all the way down. At the bottom you will find Restore Defaults. Simply tap on it. From the pop-up menu, tap on Restore Defaults. That's it. The camera settings has been reset. It will not impact the settings for the camera operating system, and it will not remove any of your personal information from the camera. So in this way, you can reset camera settings in OnePlus 10 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.